Good afternoon. This is our apartment. You can see same like a hotel apartment. That one is the cabinet of the kitchen cabinets, and this is the kitchen. You can see this kitchen also are big. Have washing machine, cooking range, and fridge also, and also you get a gas connection, everything. And this is the sofa and bed. This all furnished by IKEA, and you can see this is the LCD shoebox and the cabinet of clothes, and the have balcony. It's the same like a hotel apartment, and this is the entrance of the apartment, and also you can see this is the washroom. This is luxury and neat and clean washroom. You can see it's a new building, and this building is organized by the Modelux Tower company. And you can see this is the and here have all swimming pool, everything, and that apartment is very luxury.